Hi, I'm John, the Twisted Cuber. Today I'm going to do a tutorial on how to perform different solved cases on the Rubik's cheese. I want to give a big shout out to Bob and Ori for their interest and request to do this video. Thank you very much. Before we begin, I hope you'll hit the like, subscribe, and notification buttons. Let's begin. The cheese is solved by placing the colors red, yellow, green, purple, orange, and teal in different combinations. Each piece has two colors, red and purple, orange and green, and teal and orange. There are two pieces for each, and each pair of pieces, whether the same color or its opposite, can only be placed across from each other or next to each other. The examples I'll be doing here are just some of the solved cases you can do with this puzzle. Many of these can be solved intuitively, but I wanted to create a consistent solve method for them. Let's start with the one we have here: red, yellow, green, purple, orange, teal. Let me scramble this up real quick. Okay, first you'll need to place the yellow piece next to the red piece. Then you're going to be placing the green piece next to the yellow piece. Now once you get the green piece placed, you're either going to have solved the puzzle, which we've done here, or you'll have orange, teal, and red next to the green piece. Perform a slice move along the orange, teal, and red line to complete the solve. If the puzzle isn't solving, you may need to reverse which red-purple piece goes on top and or rescramble the puzzle and try again. Next, I'll solve the cheese in this color combination: red, orange, yellow, red, orange, yellow. First, place the red and orange pieces next to each other. We already have the green in position to be placed, so it will become the yellow piece here. Now before you make the slice move, check to see if you have teal, purple, green, and yellow to the right of the orange piece. If you do, perform a slice move on the teal, purple, and green line to complete the solve. I will now show you an alternate solve to this color combination, which uses a different case to solve it. Turn the puzzle so the red and orange pieces that are on the bottom are now on the top. Now rotate the remaining pieces to mix them up, and then bring the yellow piece back over to the right of the orange piece. Then arrange the other pieces, if needed, until you have green, teal, and purple to the right of the yellow piece. Once you have that, perform a slice move on the green, teal, and purple line to complete the solve. In this case, I'll solve the cheese in this color combination: green, yellow, red, orange, teal, purple. Place both yellows across from each other, one on the top and one on the bottom. Perform a slice move to place the green to the left of the top yellow. Now arrange the other pieces until you get teal, purple, purple, and teal to the right of the yellow piece. Once you have that, perform a slice move on the teal, purple, and purple line. Once you have done that, you'll have red, red, orange, and teal to the right of the yellow piece. Now perform a slice move on the red, orange, and teal line to complete the solve. Now you may end up getting red, red, orange, and teal first when you're doing the solve. That can happen on any one of the multi-step solves that I have here. If you do, just begin the solve at that point in the case, and then perform the appropriate slice move, which in this case would be the red, orange, and teal line, to complete the solve. If the puzzle isn't solving, you may need to reverse which yellow-green piece goes on top and/or scramble the puzzle and try again. Now I'm going to do another quick scramble. I will now solve the cheese in this color combination. Purple, teal, yellow. Purple, teal, yellow. First, place the purple and teal pieces. Then arrange the other pieces if needed until you have green, yellow, teal, and purple to the right of the teal piece, which we have here. Perform a slice move along the green, yellow, and teal line. You should now have orange, green, yellow, and purple to the right of the teal line. The right of the teal piece. Now perform a slice move along the green, yellow, and purple line. That will give you orange, red, green, and yellow to the right of the teal piece. Perform a slice move on the orange, red, and green line to complete the solve. If the puzzle isn't solving, you may need to reverse which red and purple piece goes on top and/or rescramble the puzzle and try again. Next, I'll solve the cheese in this color combination. Orange, orange, purple, purple, and green, green. Place the orange pieces by placing an orange on top and a teal on the bottom. We already have teal here. It's going to turn this like this in order to have our orange. We are going to then bring the teal piece up to the left of the first orange piece. Now we're going to be arranging the pieces if needed until you have green, green, red, and red to the right of the two oranges. Like so. Perform a slice move on the green, green, and red line. You should now have purple, yellow, yellow, and red to the right of the second orange piece. Perform a slice move on the yellow, yellow, and red line to complete the solve. Here's another instance where there is an alternate solve to the same color combination, which uses a different case to solve it. Now take the orange/teal piece on the right and bring it down. That will now be the teal. Now bring that teal up to the left of this orange, making that the first orange. Now arrange the pieces as needed until you have yellow, red, red, and green to the right of the second orange. And here we go. Perform a slice move on the yellow, red, and red line to complete the solve. Now I will solve the cheese in this color combination. Yellow, green, red, teal, orange, purple. Place both yellows across from each other, one on the top and one on the bottom. Now we're going to bring this piece up to the right of the yellow to place the green piece. Arrange the other pieces if needed until you have orange, purple, purple, and orange to the right of the green piece. Like so. Perform a slice move on the orange, purple, and purple line. You should now have red, red, teal, and orange to the right of the green piece. Perform a slice move on the red, teal, and orange line to complete the solve. Now I'm going to do one more quick scramble. Finally, I will solve the cheese in this color combination. Teal, teal, yellow, yellow, red, red. Place the teal and teal by placing a teal on the top and an orange on the bottom. Perform a slice move to place the second teal to the right of the first. Arrange the other pieces, if needed, until you have red, red, green, green to the right of the teal, teal. Perform a slice move on the red, red, and green line. You should now have yellow, purple, purple, and teal, yellow, purple, purple, and green to the right of the two teal. Perform a slice move along the purple, purple, and green line to complete the solve. If this puzzle isn't solving, you may need to reverse which teal-orange piece goes to the right of the first teal piece and/or re-scramble the puzzle and try again. And there you have it, a tutorial on how to solve the Rubik's cheese. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. Until next time, have a great day.